Atongoria kidini aria makoretwo magitongoria igeria gutabanio kwa miario iyo niyo meranire mwihoko makiuga ati miena yeri ni iguithanirie iguru ria maria makoretwo makirehe ndugamano. Ona kuri uguo makauga ati manini maria matigarite kuiguithanio matingigiria miario iyo gutabanio.
The issues were listed that were contentious and substantive, and they were dealt with conclusively to the satisfaction of both parties.
Jubille and God have agreed to participate in consultations to find amicable solutions.
Atongoria ni igine mathingiririe miene.
That motion cannot even be completed and tabled today or tomorrow. It would be our big joy if that motion was dispensed with this week.
Atongoria acio a kidini makoretwo makiguithania miena eri gikoro-ini kia hamwe kia kamiti ya watho bunge-ini na kamiti ya ukinyanĩria wa gatiba na mutongoria wa igĩ bunge-ini Duale ni areganĩte na mendekithia mu maria makoretwo makirutwo ni kamiti icio cieri hamwe na maria Duale areganĩte namo ni gukuruhanio gwa ciama cia kiũteti kamiti-ini ya mwanya iri kwa uigĩrĩrĩku wa kwamũra kamiti ya IEBC.
By putting the members from the ruling coalition and members from the minority from the opposition into the selection panel. One is, in my opinion, is as unconstitutional. Somebody can challenge it in court.
Kamiti icio irerekithia kiama kiria kiri na aigi kwamũra amemba eri na eri kuma kiama kiria kiri na nini bunge-ini. Amemba acio atatũ makiamũrwo ni kamiti ya wandĩkani wa mũingĩ PSC.
Are independent and not subject to the direction or control by any person or authority.
Duale ningĩ ni areganĩte na arendekithia aria cira wa kũregana na maumĩrĩra ma gĩthurano kia president gũthikĩrĩrio gwa kahinda ka ndukũ 30 akĩendekithia cira ũcio gũthikĩrĩrio kahinda-inĩ ga thikũ 14.
Then you must be ready also to have in mind the other timelines in an event there is a runoff for the presidential or in an event where the whole election is cancelled.
I appreciate the concerns about tension as you wait 30 days. But then again, you want a proper judicial process where evidence is produced before the hearing and where judgment is delivered with reasons at the conclusion.
Ona ajumbe amemba a kamiti ici aria makoretwo makirurungana ni makumithitio na njira nene amemba amwe makiuga ati ni gitio magire kamiti cia bunge. Na atongoria a kidini magitindikagiriria miario ino itabanio mbere ya kiumia giki githirite. Kamiti ya IEBC no ihandite kuga ni hariririe wega gutabania githurano kinya giukite. Kamiti ino hihi igieterera maumĩrĩra ma miario ino ire gukorwo ikiarĩrĩria mwerekera wa kamiti ino. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwareko na macharia wa Gacuru.